It's gonna be so wet. This is gonna be like glorp. And maybe I should have let it cool longer, but I gotta go to bed soon. I'm tired. I love the blueberry cakes, but they are they're very what's the word I'm looking for? Persnickety. Oh no. Okay, she's gloopy. Hey. Come on, be nice. Maybe I should have let it cool a little bit longer, but I think it'll taste good. It's just very syrupy. If you like really syrupy cakes, this one is for you, actually. Oh, sorry, I'm burpy. I think I need to take a break from the seltzer. I think I'm drinking too much seltzer. And a doctor told me, does seltzer hydrate you? Or should I be drinking, like, not bubbly water? I do like that, though. Excuse you. Excuse you. That's very rude. Granny. I'm not even doing anything. I'm just existing in her direction. Shit. I lost my whip. Get back on there. Okay, here's my bite. Oh, the cake looks good. Oh, sorry. That's a really good spring cake. I mean, hello. That's really good. At least I think this was a modest success.